Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. If you own a Realme device and are facing issues, maybe your phone is not working right or the warranty is not behaving as expected, today I will show you all the legit ways to contact Realme customer service depending on where you live. So let's go. So first step is call customer care, which will be country specific. For that, let me open my dialer app. Now, if you're in India, call 1-800-102-2777. Available every day from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. If you're in Malaysia, call 1-800-81-8081. Available from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Not open on Sundays or public holidays. And when you call, choose the right option like mobile device query, TV, spare parts, etc. Make sure you have your bill or invoice if the issue is under warranty. Second step is use WhatsApp or live chat or app support. In India, there's a WhatsApp support line 919711012312. You can message them with your issue and screenshots. Also check Realme's official website. Often there's a chat option or Realme Care service. Use that if calling is inconvenient. And if your issue needs explanation and attachments like photos, error logs, etc., then email them. Use service@realme.com for general support. For order-related queries in India, use order.in@realme.com, and in Malaysia, you can email service.my@realme.com. But if your device has a hardware fault like screen, battery, speakers, etc., it may need physical inspection. Find the nearest authorized Realme service center from Realme's website. Bring your proof of purchase like invoice or bill, especially if under warranty. And here's a sample script about what to say or an email template kind of a thing. So here you'll be mentioning your name, your device model, clear description about the issue, and also the steps you have tried so far like reboot, clear cache, visit service center, etc. And that's how you contact Realme customer service by phone, WhatsApp, email, or visiting service centers. If this video helped, hit the like button, subscribe for more tech help tutorials, and comment below telling me which contact method works best in your country. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.